Ever wondered why we yawn, and why yawns are contagious? Turns out, yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness. Scientists believe it helps cool down your brain, keeping you alert. When you yawn, you take in cool air, which helps regulate brain temperature. But here's the fun part. Yawning is contagious because of empathy. Our brains mirror others to bond socially. Even animals like lions and birds yawn for similar reasons. And yes, just hearing or reading about yawning can make you do it too. Did you yawn yet? Hit like and subscribe for more quick mind bites.